Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the
Yeelight Smart LED Bulb M2 Multicolor. I would like to thank Yeelight for supplying this product for review and testing. Okay, so what is so new and exciting about this bulb? It looks like a standard Yeelight bulb, but looks can be deceiving. Look again. This is the first Yeelight bulb that connects directly to the Google Home devices. That means you don't get to use Mi Home or Yeelight apps, and all you need is Google Home device. It is compatible with Google Home, Google Home Max, Google Home Mini, Nest Mini, Nest Wi-Fi, Nest Point, Nest Hub Max, and Nest Hub. This is a RGB color LED bulb with color temperature of 1700 up to 6500 K. Its rated power is 8 watts, luminous flux is 1000 lumen, it uses E27 interface to connect, has life expectancy of 15,000 hours, and connects via Bluetooth. So what does it mean in practice? Well, it means you don't have to use Xiaomi Mi Home Cloud. All communication with the bulb is local. The setup is that easy. And if you use Google Home app for most of your devices, you get to use everything with the same interface. Forget about setting up in Yeelight or Mi Home and then making connector to Google Home. Add it in 30 seconds and go. And since it is using Bluetooth for communication, it is definitely consuming less energy than Wi-Fi bulbs and also doesn't burden your Wi-Fi router. But there must be downsides as well, of course. First of all, you can't use it in Mi Home and Yeelight apps. It won't work in LAN mode, so you can't use it with my Yimi Kodi add-on for Ambilight. But most importantly, you can't use it with any switches unless there are some switches that also connect to Google Home. All in all, another quality product from Yeelight, really easy to set up, but for a specific user base. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hey Google, turn off Smart Light BT. Hey Google, turn on Smart Light BT. Hey Google, set Smart Light BT to pink. Hey Google, set Smart Light BT to green. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.